Arrive in style with this 2014 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include black 3-piece hardtop incorporated, if ordering without AEM, dual top group. The black soft top will not be included. Rear window defroster deletes and Ritter soft top freedom panel storage bag, rear window wiper washer, leather steering wheel, traction control, privacy glass, transmission, 5-speed automatic, W5A580, incorporated, hill descent control tip start, ABS, and automatic headlights. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.